Hello everyone, quick update. So I got a few requests in for the workshops for the next few months. So I scheduled on the third Monday of October a hermetics workshop. The first Monday of December a Tai Chi workshop, and the third Monday in December elastic force workshop. So all the exact dates are on the website, and it'll be in Ajijic, and I'm still looking for a suitable house with a courtyard and so forth where we can train, but I should have that location finalized within the next few days. So if you do book your accommodation, just anywhere in Ajijic is general walking distance, and it'll be somewhere between the center square and the Walmart area. That's where most of the houses for rent have been. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And the elastic force workshop for late December is almost full. There's 3 openings for the Tai Chi workshop, and there's 4 openings for the initiation workshop. So I expect them to be full within the next couple of weeks. So if you're interested, let me know sooner than later. And there is opening for a couple more workshops in November. So if it does get full, I'll just schedule those workshops as well while I'm here. Okay, thank you everyone. See you in the next video.